Here's an agenda where you're able to publish changes to your students. There were times where I would have an agenda and my students would write down the wrong thing. And then parents were like, well, what are they supposed to be working on? Right? So with Cami, here's my agenda. I can ship this on over to Cami. I could add video, audio notes for my students. I could even add to those agenda items stickers or anything that I needed to send out to my students. So here's my agenda. And again, I could use all of the amazing features to add those resources on here. I'm going to go ahead and assign this to Google Classroom. So if you go to the menu bar, you can click on Create Assignment. It's going to upload that assignment, and I'm going to call this an agenda. You're going to then choose your class. Every student's going to get their own copy of it because, again, I want some of them to write their own things that they need to do. I can turn on feature controls if I wanted to, and I'm going to go ahead and hit Assign. What's going to happen is my students can open up their agenda. So they'll go to their classroom. And again, you can use Google Classroom, Schoology, Canvas, or even Microsoft Teams. And when my students go to their classwork and click on that agenda, they're going to open it with Cami. Once my students open this with Cami, they are able to come in here and type study for tests or whatever they need to do. They can change their font, they can change the color of it. They're able to really come in here and think about what activities they need to do for Monday. And why I love to use this and Cami with my agenda is because when I go to Google Classroom, I can come over to student work and I'm able to open up class view. And with class view, I'll be able to see each of their agendas. And I can check to see, did they each add that or did they not? I can also come in and here it is in class view. Again, I can kind of zoom out and see, okay, did that student add it? And if I had another student, they would pop up right here. Where if I wanted to, maybe there was something huge or I was absent or a student was absent, I could come in, record a video of what I need them to do for Monday, leave a voice comment. Hey class, today you need to do that. Publish those changes once I finish that recording. Publish. Every single student in my class is going to get that resource. If a student maybe did a good job and I was doing an agenda check, I can come on here, grab this little heart and paste it right here on the agenda as well. So my students are able to see that feedback coming live on their screen. And then I'm able to, again, quickly check, did everyone do that using ClassView? And then I can add additional videos or resources by using Update Work and send those all out to every single one of my learners.